IMPHAL International Airport flight landing tawbada hena khudong chanaba anoba makhalgi radio navigational equipment ahum ngasidagi commission tawkrai. Anoba equipment asigi matengna numidang natraga airport ki runway ningthina uba fangdana matamdasu flight landing tawba ngamlagani hairi. Loinana airport asida flight landing tawbada chahi amarom IMPHAL city romdagi direct landing tawduna passengers singna Loktak Pat uba fanglamdabadu ngasidagi Loktak Pat uba fanglagani hairi. Commission tawraba equipment ahum adudi instrument landing system ILS, Doppler very high frequency omni range DVOR amasong distance measuring equipment DME ni. Hariba equipment singasi IMPHAL International Airport ki Director Chipemi Kaisingna Luchingduna Joint General Manager CNS Northeast Region Guwahati Jagdish Vishya RDVCAS IMPHAL Samananda Singh DC CASO CISF IMPHAL Airport Monish Bagri amasung mari lenaba officials sing yauna launch tawkibani. Ngasi launch tawkiba instrument landing system ILS asi component anini. Component amana aircraft runway gi center line information pinaba localizer amasung runway da landing tawnabagi glide angle information pinabani. Component amana DVOR na aircraft radial information pinabani aduga DME na aircraft runway gi distance khangnabani haidi. Hiramasing matang da airport ki director Chipemi Kaisingna ILS yaudaba asina maram oiraga IMPHAL airport tarakpa aircraft singna IMPHAL city dagi direct runway da landing chahi amarom tawduna lakhibani. Adubu ngasidagi anoba ILS amasong mari lenaba equipment sing sendogduna commission tawrabanina IMPHAL city rom dagi direct landing tawbagi mahutta hanagumna Loktak Pat lom dagi pairaklaga landing tawre haina fongdorakli.
Hujikte Loktak rom digi tarani mayam Loktak uwa phangkrani ngasidagi yam nungaiba pawni si IMPHAL airport ki aduga achievement achoba mani sumaina pulap sinba haibise kadai da jo operational airport tawdri bani IMPHAL na han bani hukum February digi ne instrument landing system withdraw tawki bise ari bise adugi hukum digi aircraft siro city side on the lane tawbudu instrument landing system later begini aircraft can land with minimum visibility of 500 ILS meters ujikte ILS later nina 500 meters oiresho land to yare ni in night numdang do oiresho aduga visibility phatraba oiresho it can land